Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate NBA League Pass on your Firestick and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream live basketball games. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Fire TV stick and ensure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. A stable connection is necessary for streaming. Step 2. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the search function or go directly to the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Search for the NBA app by typing NBA in the search bar. Select the official NBA app from the search results. Step 4. Download and install the NBA app on your Firestick. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Open the NBA app once it's installed. You'll see various options including live games, highlights, and sign-in. Step 6. Navigate to the Settings or Account section within the NBA app and select Sign In or Activate Device. Step 7. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen visible while you complete the activation on another device. Step 8. On your computer or mobile device, visit the NBA activation website at watch.nba.com/activate or the URL shown on your screen. Enter the activation code and sign in with your NBA League Pass account. Your Firestick will refresh automatically and you can start watching live out-of-market games. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.